Kroketten started as a great way to use up the leftovers. They can be made with beef, shrimp, potato, cheese, even macaroni. Just use your imagination and your croquette press. You'll find you can make a delicious dinner or a snack, as Julia, our young chef, will show you.
Now this is the real Dutch croquette that's so popular over here. So let's go over to our young chef Julia, who is going to show us how to make these kroketten right in the comfort of your own kitchen using the Dutch croquette press. Enjoy!
Choose your recipe from the internet. Melt the butter in the saucepan, add your finely chopped onions and stir until nice and soft. Then add the flour and give that a really good stir. Then you're going to add your bouillon, just a little at a time, giving it a really good whisk in between times to make sure you've got all the lumps out. Add the rest of the bouillon, give it a good stir just like Julia's doing right now, and then you're going to add your chopped up meat, chicken, beef, ham, shrimp, whatever you've decided on your recipe. Give it another good stir, and then you're going to add parsley, salt, pepper, and whatever spices and seasonings are called for in your recipe. Stir that in well. That's getting a tough job now, isn't it? Oh, looking good. Yes. Okay, now we want to get a cookie sheet, and we're going to spread this out onto the cookie sheet. Before we put it in the croquette press, we need to chill it, and so that it gets a lot firmer, makes it much easier to work with. Yeah, Julia's doing a good job spreading that around. Now we put it in the fridge for, I'd say 2 or 3 hours at least, until it's pretty firm. And then we're going to put it in the actual croquette press. And this is a fun part now for young and old. Fill it up right up to the top. That's it, get it all in there. And then we're going to press down on the lever. And here it comes, here we are. Here are your croquettes coming out there. And if a 6-year-old can do this, then I think we can all manage it.
Okay. Ow.
And of course we've got to get those last little bits out. And cut them into lengths, whatever, whether you want tiny little hors d'oeuvre sizes or meal sizes. Roll them in seasoned flour, just flour with a little salt and pepper. Dip them in some beaten egg, and then you're going to roll them in breadcrumbs, just like that. And there you have them, croquettes. Deep fried, 350 degrees. And the best part, we'll taste them afterwards. Yum!